Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Giseli here. Today we are here at Best Buy. For those of you that don't know, Best Buy is an electronics store and they just released their Black Friday sales. So let's go inside and check it out. So in this area they have all the TVs, and let's walk around and check it out, all the great deals that they have for Black Friday. Look how many Samsung TVs they have here with discounted Black Friday sale price. Wow, what a great price for the 65-inch Sony Bravia, and they also have the 55-inch model on sale. Now, if you're looking for a smaller TV as a 43 inches, the Sony Bravia, it's only $549.99. Here are the LG TVs. They also have great sales for these TVs. And here you can get the Toshiba Fire TV for $369 and you can save it $100. Now in this area they have all the sound bars. This one for LG is a great deal. You can save $30, now it's for $149, and the Sony one, it's for $199 and you can save around $80, which is a great deal. Best Buy has a deal where if you purchase a 55-inch Sony Class TV or larger and the soundbar, you will save up to $100. Another great buy for this Black Friday sale is this Samsung soundbar for only $129. Electronics, you name it. From TVs to video games, cell phones, laptops, they got it. The Sony PlayStation 5 is definitely one of the hottest items for this Black Friday. It's been very hard to find one recently, but Best Buy says that they get limited quantities in all of the time. Call of Duty is one of the top-selling game series every year, and here they have the latest game called Vanguard. But not only this game, they have many other popular games on sale here. Here they have all the latest PlayStation accessories, including headsets, controllers, and gaming items. The Nintendo Switch and the Switch Lite are also hot items, with a lot of games getting discounts for this Black Friday. One of the most popular Switch games is Super Mario Odyssey. It's also on sale for $37.99. Now, how cool is that? They have a mini Pac-Man arcade and it's on sale for $349.99. If you are looking for PC gaming accessories, they have a huge selection here, and there are also a lot of items on sale during this Black Friday. Everyone needs a good pair of headphones. Best Buy is advertising as having some of their lowest prices of the season on select models headphones. If you want to bring music to life, you need the Utimate Ears portable waterproof wireless speakers with powerful 360-degree sound. Make sure to check it out here at Best Buy. They have a huge selection. If you're looking to purchase a new iPhone this year, Best Buy has all the latest models on sale. If you don't live in the United States or you're looking to buy the new iPhone to take back home, to purchase an unlocked iPhone, you may need to go to the Best Buy near you and ask about it in store. And here is the 11 inches iPad for $799. The Airpods is also on sale, so they have here for $119 and $189. And they also have the Apple Watch Series 6. Now in this area, they have all the Android phones. Leave me a comment below if you prefer iPhones or Android phones, or if you are from a different country, which phone is more popular where you live. How cool is this Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G? It's really cool. Would you consider buying a flip phone? Have fun shopping on Black Friday, guys. Now, if you're looking to buy a new laptop, let me show you around all the options that Best Buy has. Here are the iMacs. If you're not a Mac user, they also have a lot of Windows laptops. And here are all the HP laptops. And here are the Lenovo laptops. How cool is this? It is an all-in-one computer from Lenovo called Idea Center. Now, many of you ask me to check out the drones, so here you go. Now, if you're feeling adventurous and you're looking for the X-Hover self-balancing scooter, they have here now for a $199. If photography is your passion, look at the price of these cameras. With so many items on sale, there is sure to be something for you here at Best Buy. The Black Friday deals just started today, so don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so you can stay connected. See you in my next video.